Megan Lams Tonkenki, Gashung, Ganashung, Conte, Chunlo, Condo Damin, Condo Dragon Masumbar, Peggy Chata Rishun, Ki, Koriche Rawa, Nangche, Rawanga, Chekyong.
So it is utmost and it is crucial for us to keep our identity and to keep our culture alive. It's been about 4 or 5 generations since we have lost our independence. But be it 10 generations, 20 generations, we don't know when we will ever be able to return to Tibet. But at the end of the day, I don't think it's the land that we are fighting for. It's our culture, it's our identity, and it's our tradition. Whether we are in Tibet or outside of Tibet, we all have the capacity and the facility to hold on to our identity, hold on to our tradition, and hold on to our culture. So please ensure that we keep our culture alive, we keep our identity alive, and make sure that we pass it on to the next generation and the generations thereafter. We don't know how long it'll take, but we'll stand for Tibet, we'll stand for our identity, and we'll all stand united, and we'll all stand tall and free. So everybody, on count of 1 to 3, everybody say free Tibet. 1, 2, 3. Free Tibet!